Joensuu.
Yes, it's locked off.
What the fuck? Let's go with this.
Yeah.
Well, I will take it. Now, I will just now film this.
Yes.
Built in 1989, modernized in 2011 was Rolf. Sorry. I will check it from the other it's possible. The basement and then the first one and then this one. Horribly slow doors. 16 versus or 12,000.
Yeah. Let's go out because or no.
Mitä mennessä ylös vai alas?
Mitä tänne jo? Ei K. Onko tää on P?
Tää on K.
P. K on mennyt.
Mahuttaako myö?
En tiedä kai.
Mahuttaako?
En mä oo varma.
On melkein jo.
Let's change out the basement because it might be located at first floor. It's strange.
Well, what shall we do with this one? This one is not locked up, so...
Yeah.
Well, let's just take this one first.
Yeah.
I will change the elevators.
This is also for these elevators. This why we are not messy.
Oh, I know. This one is probably also modernized.
Yeah.
Yes. This one says the modernization here. Built in 1989, modernized in 2012. Age 65494. 16 persons or 1,250 kilograms. Nice indicator.
Yeah.
Let's take a closer right on that one.
Why?
Because
It's poor.
I know.
Nice alarm phone.
But we can also do another thing if you don't want to write. We can just change the basement and just go to first floor with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna also search this from this basement.
Yeah. Or let's take a full ride because we have to go back to the basement.
And this one says built in 1989, molested in 2012, age 65093, 16 persons or 1,250 kilograms. Inspected by Inspector and maintained by county. And again, nice phone.
Yeah.
I think this might be the best cases panel, 570 panel that is possible to be.
Yeah.
Because indicator and light. Actually, the light fits on this kind of design when it's machine.
Yeah.
Still, the orange is better.
Yeah. That's it.